heard in my life. Hi guys, this is Framester14 and welcome back to another vlog. So today we are at the Dubai Autodrome for an event called the UAE Time Attack, where about 30 to 40 supercars and tuned cars are going to compete around the national circuit of the Dubai Autodrome and see who gets the best fastest lap. So let's go and check out what cars we have here. So guys, all types of cars are welcome here. So this is just like the Valley Run that we have in India. So apart from that, so there are basically different categories of cars. So you can see a Civic right behind me, we can see a Supra, we can see a Golf GTI, we have a couple of Subarus, STIs, Civics, M5s, we have the new RS3. Crazy. Let's check out what other cars we have here. So we have a GT3 RS over there. It's probably going next now. So all the cars are lining up. Oh man, check that out, the Volkswagen Golf GTI. That's my favorite car, guys. Guys, check this out, the GR Supra, which is pimped up for the track. You can see the carbon fiber parts, the carbon fiber bonnet. Just check this out, looks so sick. We have the GT3 RS, we have the GT3, another GT3 RS. So all the Porsche lineup is over here. This lizard green GT3 RS looks sick. We have the Cayman GT4. Guys, over here we have a Mitsubishi EO, which is completely done up for the track. You can see. A little GoPro that's mounted over there. But check this out, this is madness, guys. Super weight saving. The tires, I mean the slicks are going to give insane grip. You can see the huge APR performance carbon fiber wing. Crazy. Check out this Honda Civic Type R. Check this out. Wow. Look at the exhausts right here. The Renault Clio RS. Just check out, oh my god, just look at the number of gauges inside. It's got a stick shift, that's crazy. So guys, this is the second fastest car, the Dodge Viper ACR. Only 28 in the entire world. And this is super stock, this is fully stock, and it's the second fastest car at the event. That's crazy. And this car is about 7 years old, guys. The capabilities of the Viper is insane. Check out what just showed up. This is the Subaru Rally. Wow. This is from Flatwell. Wow. 992 GT3 RS that is going on the track, followed by the 992 GT3. Madness. Let's go on the viewing area where we can check out all the cars. Oh my god, the sound is crazy. Check this out. Viper here. Guys, that Mitsubishi Evo, which is like pimped up for the racetrack, that is insanely loud. It's so loud that my phone's mic can also not capture it. Okay, it's coming, guys. That's the most loudest car I've ever heard in my life. So guys, I found this amazing spot where we can actually, you know, sit over here and take some nice shots of the cars that are going around the track. So it's a nice curve, so where the car actually slows down, so you can take good shots. So let's see what we can get. So guys, right now I'm using my brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max, which I've just bought yesterday. And the best thing about this is the zoom. It goes up to 15x, and coming from an iPhone 11, it is super duper. Check this out, this is 0.5x, and if I want to zoom in, check that out. Whoa, that's crazy. This is the first time we can do this in an iPhone. Guys, check out some of the shots that I'm getting. They look so professional. Look at the Supra. And it's the end to the UAE time attack event. Now at 4 p.m. there is going to be another track day that is going to be organized by Supercars Majlis, and you know the variety of cars that come for those events, so I'm super excited for that. So that event I'm going to cover in my next video, so make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Goodbye.